Hello, everyone, and welcome back. My name is Shonda Banks. I'm currently doing my field placement at a domestic violence organization that services both victims and abusers. I participate in several group therapies throughout the week, and those are also with the victims or the abusers as well. What is one thing I feel that I really enjoy about my field experience so far? I just really enjoy, you know, just working with the clients, um, and being able to see the transformation or the change, um, with the help of the group therapy. Oftentimes, you see an individual come one way and then gain knowledge and support from the therapist and the group members, and you just can see the change. So that's the probably the most thing I've enjoyed about it so far. What is one challenge I faced in my field experience? The most challenging thing so far would be just still just getting the into the groove of group therapy and just kind of letting things flow. Um, One challenging thing is just when to kind of jump in and to address certain issues, and when to just let kind of the other group members kind of fill in and talk about those issues with other clients and things like that. What is one thing I've learned about myself in my field? I think the one thing I noticed that I learned, about myself would be I have more patience than I thought I have, because it does take patience just to see the transformation, because transformation doesn't happen overnight. So it's just, I've definitely noticed that I have much more patience than I thought I have. So I want to wish everybody the best of luck um, in this last leg. And bye bye.